One man. One agency. Cleaning up the clutter in the automotive advertising world. One dealer at a time.
Let's talk about your advertising. We'll start with your websites. What were you thinking? And you're spending how much money on third-party lead companies?
That's what they told me to spend, man.
You listen to them? Why? Why would you ever do that?
I had to, man.
God, and you're not spending any money on direct mail?
That's enough, Caldwell. Save it for the workshop at NADA. Now let's go.
On January 26th, during NADA on the streets of San Francisco at 10:30 in room 3020W. Don't miss Paul Caldwell's Cutting Through the Ad Clutter 2019 session. Get a high-level 360 view of a dealership's advertising hierarchy of needs and priorities. It'll be the one session you won't want to miss. Book it now.